Hi, hi. Nice Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Ayan ang aming lunch, Thursday. Ayan, dagdagan pa natin ng noodles kasi 3 tao ang kakain. Pipirin natin yung sauce. Ayan. Tapos lagyan natin niya maya ng swivel, rolling swivel. So, diba guys, may lunch na kami for today. Ayan. Picture natin. So, yeah. Ayan pa yung natitira kong noodles. Ayan, lagyan natin ng rolling sweet.